usually reports the first week of the month. So I always tell people, make sure you apply for this card before the end of the month. Don't wait till the first, second, third. If it's the 28th, 29th, the 30th, the 31st, you better apply right away, because those accounts for the previous months, the accounts that they're going to report. So make sure you guys apply for these accounts by the first, like for sure before the first, so that they can report, because they report in the beginning of the month. So usually you guys are going to see like a great increase around like the 7th, or maybe the 8th. You guys are going to definitely see that they're going to report, but excuse me, don't forget they have multiple accounts. So this is my kickoff credit account. They have multiple ones. So I believe they're going to report them all during the same time, but definitely check your Credit Karma, because Credit Karma updates every day for free. They're going to tell you when they're going to report. And then I don't know how long it's going to take for their cash card to report. Now, if that thing report very fast, then that's good. I was thinking about getting that kickoff cash card to tell you guys how it works, but please somebody get it and tell me how it works, because I don't want to mess up my credit for that account. I really don't. Like, I'm done with doing that, y'all. Just getting the accounts to tell y'all how it really works. If you guys really need to get a credit card and you really need your credit score to go up, then definitely get that cash card. Tell me how long it takes to report. Let me know when you apply for it. Make sure you apply for it at the end of the month, though, so that we can have a great test to see, because they already said there are other accounts that are reporting in the beginning of the following month. So make sure you guys apply for it at the end of the month to see if they're going to report at the beginning of the month, or how long it's going to take for that cash card to actually report.